Hi everyone. I hope you're doing great. Have you ever noticed that one earbud sounds louder than the other? If that's happening to you, I'm going to share 2 quick and easy ways to fix it. 1. The first thing we're going to do is clean them. Over time, dirt, earwax, sweat, and dust can build up and block sound. To clean them safely, use a soft cloth slightly dampened with alcohol, just a little, not too much, as moisture can damage the earbuds. You can also use a toothpick to carefully remove any residue. In this video, I use a needle, which also works, but you need to be very careful when using it. 2. The next step is to go into your device's settings and look for the audio balance option. Here, you'll be able to adjust the sound between the left and right earbud. I suggest playing some music while doing this, so you can hear the difference in real time. If the left earbud is quieter, slide the balance toward the left. If the right one sounds lower, move the slider to the right. If this video helped you out, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and share it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.